So welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas, which is technically like my second one, but whatever. I'm getting a slow start. Today's plans: chiropractor, try to fix up this body. Feeling a little better today, so hoping that's good news. We're doing laser treatments, and I have no idea what he put on my leg, but I guess it's breaking up whatever scar tissue I have in there so my muscles don't get screwed up. Whatever. Feels great today. Fingers crossed we keep it this way so I can get back to work fast, because I'm bored to death. Second is we gotta go pick Tia up. Tia's my Frisian mare who I just retired from breeding, probably. She's been at the EquiCenter, and I guess she's having some sore back issues. So today we're gonna go pick her up, bring her back home, see if we can square out her back to make her more comfortable and give her a shot to try to go work at the EquiCenter. I'll put a link below. EquiCenter definitely could use donations. They do therapeutic horse riding for kids with disabilities or adults, and PTSD for veterans. So check them out. I'll put the link down below, and they really could use your help. It's a great program, and they do a lot of good for our community. With that said, let's go hitch up a trailer and go get a pony. Forget that she's boss mare. That's all, folks. Bye.